Bismillah. Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so hello everyone. And it's been a long time since I'm not make video in my YouTube channel. Okay, but yes, so there's new English task assignment. It's about making portfolio. Okay, so I've made my portfolio finally, but it's first I have to fix it later because it's for IT assignment and English assignment too. Okay, I make it for 1 week. Okay, it's just telling a story, telling the truth. Okay, but how important portfolio is it? Okay, is it important? And of course, important. For you in I field in software engineer or in what the name? Design, like design communication visual or DKV. It's really important, like because we will show our project, our experience in that portfolio, and it will show to the HRD. Just so it's not just CV but the portfolio too. And what else? Okay, and portfolio it's different from CV. Of course, if CV we have to make it as simple as possible to make it read in ATS. It's for it's hard for classify the CV that is accept or reject it's good for their company or not. But it's portfolio, we show it to LinkedIn, we show our project, we show our achievement, maybe yes, our achievement, our experience, what we do while studying, what we do in while we take a journey in this career in this fields. And yeah, so that's about portfolio, about how important portfolio. And oh yeah, and once more, that portfolio it's just tip for you. I've not learned but read it on LinkedIn that portfolio is not too good but not too bad. I mean, portfolio um what, especially for graphic design, for those of you who want to apply in graphic design like HRD, see the portfolio and not just the project but the creativity, like you make the creativity. If um, the clients think that your portfolio is too not as good, they will reject. But if they think that your portfolio is too good too much, they will reject it too because they think that you um, will cost them on expensive value, on the expensive thing. No, I mean, like this. For example, that you have very good design portfolio, like your design is so creative, it's so standing out, and it's hard to see that, and they think their his job maybe he would be if expensive if he worked for us, so they reject it. They don't want spend too much money for pay you, so make it as professional as possible, as professional as possible as you can. Okay, you, with your creativity, mm, with your own idea, and it will be the best portfolio that you have made. And good luck for the of you who want to make portfolio. Fighting gitu. Okay, okay. So this is my portfolio, and I'm showing it via Figma because I don't know why my PDF is like half lagging. Okay, so this is, I love to make it with dark dim because I love dark dim. It make my eyes more comfortable when I see something dark. So that's why my average of social media is dark dim too, except some social media, something. I mean something that cannot have the darkness like Shopee. Okay, so back to topic. And this is my design. I love to make it with cloud stars and of course the maple leaf. Is done asking. Okay. For the title, I put my name there and put my major as a software engineer, and the title is about portfolio, and of course the maple leaf as an accessories. Okay, now just continue. Okay, so great is I put my photos, my LinkedIn, my Gmail number, my Gmail address, and GitHub, and um, I put my what about me about yes about me and my education. Of course, it's just in Aiden Boarding School because I take my journey. The beginning of my journey is here from Aiden Boarding School. What as a software engineer. Okay, and I put my interest. I interest in website development first. Because I feel that I have more ability in website than mobile. The second one is mobile development. I still have ability, but not as much as website. And the third one is about UI UX design. It's the okay. Why I put UI UX? If the UI UX is about the DKV, about DKV major, but I put there because it's still, if you know the T shape, I forget the name, T-shape talent. I forget the name. The first is it's um that what relate with our major like software engineer, like website development, mobile development, or maybe you can put AI, ML, data analysis, and etc. It's up to you, or maybe you have another interest like UI UX design, or maybe graphic design, illustration, and this T is another skills that actually not really relate with our own careers, but it's can be a support. For example, if you're interested in mobile and software, in mobile or website development, the UI UX design it's the support for you because you have to searching, you have to know the basic of UI UX at least. Okay, and experience is about my identity experience because I don't have any except that I'm not even an ISC, and my skills what that I just put my technical skills to make it strong, and of course the language that I can. For the first is Indonesian, and second one Indonesian. Of course I'm native because Indonesian is my first language, and the second one is English. I'm on intermediate, and the third one is Arabic. It's still elementary. Yeah, it's have their own level, and maybe I will tell it later. I don't know when. Okay, and the third one is about my website project. Course with three, I believe. Then asking. Okay, for the first is to the leaf because it's green and it's correlated with plants. I put plants. Okay, it's about my to-do list website that I made with PHP. The main material that I've learned, I highlight it and I give logo such as PHP. And the second one, the tech stack that I made that support that it's HTML, second is CSS, third is JavaScript, and the last one is my SQL. My SQL is for the database, and I have the Helm link. It's actually the GitHub repo, but I make it short with SID. With SID website. I'm not endorsed, by the way. Okay, and I give the QR code too. So the main of that the repo, I give them a short link. In order they can open it on phone or on laptop. Maybe they want to with QR code. The same, yeah. It's about people prefer what people prefer. And the second one is Skype Space. It's my final project actually, but it's my one of best project. Okay, actually I've made more. I put four website project, but I'm not put it all because it's just what we feel is the best project. Because if we spamming with all of our project, it will just make people feel like bored to read much page of portfolio. So I just put the best one. Okay, back to topic. And the second one is case-based. Is my final project. Okay, I don't have any main tech stack that I put there because the same. That is just final project. I'm not okay, but I learn, of course, learn new things such as Bootstrap. But I just use it as a carousel. Okay, and so I highlight the VS Code one as a main task stack there, and of course there's a SID link to a GitHub repo and live demo website. It's the website that have been deployed on GitHub via GitHub. That. And the third one is Zephyr website. It's my first Bootstrap website, so that's why I highlight Bootstrap there with the support stack stack is HTML, native HTML, native CSS, and also JavaScript. With the, of course, it's still same. Okay. By the way, Zephyr is website about by transaction about car, transaction car and rental car. I'm focusing on car because if the other it's too basic. Okay, and the last one, my last website that I put here is Novella, my best project in 10th grade. Okay, yeah, I like it because it have clean design and cute color. Okay, it's about digital library such as Wattpad, if you know. You can search Wattpad and it's almost I make it I make the similar one. The name is Novella, and the main stack is Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is a library, and the supporting is HTML CSS. CSS, I'm not using the real vanilla CSS because they're a library. I use all of function in Tailwind CSS, but still, but the what the name? The class in Tailwind CSS is extract to the final CSS. Okay, I'm done. And for the and second one is mobile app project. For the first is yes, Stellar Store, the longest project that took time from August until November. Yes, you know that it November we have 1 week. It's I think from 11 November until 19, about 19 I think, about 18 or 19. It's um we go home and we back and we still continue the second SKL names e-commerce, but now it's finished, alhamdulillah. Okay, and e-commerce app, but it for gift shop. If Shopee, if you know Shopee or Tokopedia, it's focusing on general things like fashion, um, fashion, food and accessories available there. But for seller store, it's just for gift shop. Okay, the main test stack is Flutter with materials providers and preference authentication for the post. Okay, with authentication, but the authentication is just for front and side, not yet back and side, not yet with Firebase and etc. Okay, and for in there is GitHub repo too and video demo app with video because they not yet deployed to the App Store. Again, the second one, it just took everyone first one. I mean, first one is just it took from August until November, and the second one is just took 3 days because we have to do final project. Okay, it's about the multifunctional application design to make it easy. It's for about the QR generator and QR scanner. Okay, the tech stack is Flutter, and I'm new. The new things is about Flutter permission. We have known that maybe if you just download the app, you um, see the permission like notification, contact, and etc. It must there's permission from the app, from the device. So we use that for permission to access camera, content sharing, share handling, Android and iOS permission, and permission configuration. Okay, and there's the short link also for GitHub repo and video demo app. Okay, UI UX project is I just have one. It's the course. It's my first UI UX project. Okay, it's about design course. That's why the name is the course, design course. Okay, the tech stack is main tech stack is Figma, and I do UI design, UX research, wireframing, and prototyping. And fun fact, it's for competition, and I collab this with the Cafe team. Okay, hello the Cafe who watching this. There's no. Okay, and there's prototype link. As I did the course UI, it's the prototype file. HR. Okay, okay, and the next one, I don't know, is fourth one, I think. It's volunteer experience. For the first, it's identity, and all of my experience is identity. Okay, for the first, yeah, and the second letter is SMKan Tunas Harapan. And go to there, and with the different material. Okay, in February 2025, I teach about JavaScript, about the basic of JavaScript and how to make some program with that JavaScript. And the second one is in the same place, but in November 2024, that I said before that we have 1 week go home online teaching because of hepatitis. And on Thursday, from Monday until Sunday, and in Thursday, I got to there. I teaching about the algorithm design, the basic of algorithm design. It's focusing about algorithm design and make a program using flowchart. There's the app named Raptor. We use that. Okay, achievement certification. It's about the certification of complement. No, complement. What the name complement of if we graduate from thing? What's that? What's that? Just drop in comment. Okay, for the first web basic, it's decoding. It's the first decoding um, certificate on November 2023 about pemrograman web. It's about front end, HTML and CSS. And the second one is Dart program. It's on October 2024 of when I do IDCAM from decoding. Thank you, decoding. And please. Okay, it's about the mulai programming dengan Dart. It's about web, not web, but Dart basic. And on January 2025, I finished my IDCAM to make application, to make Flutter application. Okay, and the last one is about on April 2024 because it's different from before. It's from Coding Studio platform. You can do it. Is good. About fundamental UI design, my supporting skills. Okay, it's testimonials from teachers or mentor, but I just have one. Actually, we must have two, but I just have one from my Android teacher. Miss Lia, hi. Okay, you can just read. You can just pause and read because I want to skip that. Okay, and then 2025 success portfolio, and I put the link to get in touch. Okay, so that's all for all of my portfolio.